Good morning, guys. Yeah. It's 11:30 already. It's very quiet and no much fish. Maybe later. But it's very high tide now. Yeah. It's very quiet. Yeah. Got a two friend there. Yeah, there's my friend Filipino. My subscriber, my friend. He say hello to me. My friend, kanina mga dumating ako mga 11 o'clock. This is my friend. What's your name, my friend?
Michael.
Michael. Yes. And what's your name, my friend? Khalil.
My son.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you, Khalil. Nice to meet you. And
Michael.
Michael. Yeah, yeah. I hope we catch a good fish.
Hopefully. He was praying.
How's it going? All right? Later catch fish, good fish. Snapper. Yeah. Thanks for subscribing, my friend.
Yeah.
Last night I'm here. I caught a big shark, but it's come off. Very big one. I lost it.
Gummy shark.
I think I got me big one. Yeah. They pulled again, zing, very fast. Yeah.
Might come back today.
I hope. I hope we catch a snapper today, Michael.
Thank you.
Very quiet, huh? At the moment, very quiet.
You can start your whisper now.
Yeah. Lucky, not much people. Yeah. Yeah. Rain. Yeah, they said rain. In very quiet at the moment. See, all rod, no moving.
You call the fish.
Yeah. I text already on the way.
On the way.
On the way. He said. We wish the fish coming. Yeah.
Welcome.
The weather no good. But it's not raining now. They stopped already the rain. Maybe later the sun come up. I hope it's not raining anymore. No wind, but it's beautiful. No wind. You see all my rod here. No moving. Very quiet. Guys, this voice very good. Yeah, last night they are here, but we didn't catch much, huh? Yeah. What's your name first?
Lucas.
Lucas, James,
Tom.
Tom,
Noah.
Sam, and Noah.
This guy wasn't here last
All
night.
right.
Wait.
You got a fishing today?
Yeah, we got a fishing later. A massive 5-meter shark.
Oh, yeah.
Sorry.
Oh, how are you? What's your name? Catherine and
I'm Jack.
Jack?
Jack.
Jack and Catherine. Yes. You here last night or? Yeah, I saw you last night here too. But no, we didn't catch much last night. You know?
No luck.
No luck. What's your name again?
Jack.
Jack and
You.
Catherine. Huh? I hope we catch today.
Have fun anyway.
Yeah. You catch anything today?
Yes, we have.
Oh, very good. What you catch? Salmon or?
And Trevally.
Oh, tribali. You catch tribali too? Oh, very good, huh? Father and son, huh?
Okay.
Just enjoy, huh? Yes, you catch tribali too. This morning, huh? Yeah.
Not big.
I hope you catch snapper.
Yeah. We got small rod.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Guys, I catch a flathead, only flathead I catch. Yes. Oh, good size, good size. Yeah. Look. That's a good size. Not too bad. I catch by. Yeah. Not too bad. Yeah. I put a chicken. First fish. Guys, I caught the 2 salmon already. Yeah, yeah, 2 salmon. Not bad. I hope we catch more. I hope we catch more. Yeah. This is starting. Alright guys, I catch a big one. Yes, uy. Alright, I catch a big one. Oh yeah. Yeah, beautiful. The big one. Alright. Lucky one, lucky one.
Look at that, good, huh?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. No. Big one. And the school is here now. Yeah, there. Yes. Here's my favorite.
Lucky.
Yeah.